Hi, James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the walk around of the 330D Saloon in Estral Blue. So we're going to take a walk around at the exterior and talk you through some of the features and options. Then of course we'll make our way through onto the interior. So starting with the exterior, where we have the genuine OEM BMW M Performance kit. This kit has come direct from BMW, however we have fitted the kit in-house. So we will go round and take a closer look at that. In the meantime, let's take a closer look at the alloy wheels. These are the genuine 19-inch LA M Sport alloy wheels, and they are totally unmarked all the way around, and of course they are also wrapped in the Goodyear run flat tyres. So around the front we have the BMW LED lights, as you can see there in operation. Moving on down the side, you can see the OEM side vinyls and side bars, along with having the BMW M Performance stickers as well. Interior is the stunning black Dakota leather with the exclusive white stitching. Alongside that we have the optional extra electric function and memory for driver's side, and the M Sport sill plates. We also have the superb Harman Kardon with Logic 7 surround sound. Another very nice feature on this vehicle is the privacy glass, and we'll take a quick look at the rear seats now, where of course you get the Isofix rear bench, along with having that centerfold armrest as well. You will also see behind the absolutely stunning 19-inch alloys we have the M Sport Plus brakes, so we get the much larger front and rear brakes, and of course the calipers are Estral Blue as well, so very nice tie-in with the vehicle. Moving around to the rear, where you find the satin rear boot spoiler and that satin OEM diffuser as well. Now, boot space on the 3 Series Saloon, plenty of space in there. However, if you do wish to add on the space, luckily this one has the split folding seat function, which of course we'll show you that in just a second when we move on around to the driver's side rear. A very nice combination indeed with the Estral Blue with the satin leather and Performance body styling kit. So with that drop down, obviously that does give you that little bit more room. However, for day to day, I'm sure the boot space will be plenty enough for you. However, always nice to have that option there. And of course, in this year 3 Series, it was a £345 optional extra. So always worth having it if you can. Okay, so now moving on to the driver's side, where I'm going to take a seat in just a second and go through all of the interior options in a bit more depth. There is of course that memory settings and function for the driver's side. We have the power fold mirror function, which is of course can be used on the button here, and of course when you lock your vehicle on the key. Another nice option on this 330D is the extended storage function, which just gives you a few more cubby holes around the car, mainly just this one here. Moving over to the vehicle itself, where as you can see the vehicle has covered just over 58,000 miles. And we've also got the BMW Professional Wide Navigation and Media. So we'll take a look. We're starting off with the navigation screen, as you can see there. We'll click on over and take a look at the communication screen, where it is of course where you'll pair your devices for Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth media, DAB radio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. You of course get the multi-function M Sport steering wheel with the cruise control and speed limiter function. It is of course the 8-speed sport gearbox, so we do get the paddle shift as well, voice control and volume control. And you do of course get the standard refinements of automatic lights and automatic wipers. So to summarise this vehicle, we have a extremely nicely spec'd and well spec'd 330D Saloon with the genuine BMW M Performance kit, which has been all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car. We've got the stunning 19-inch BMW M Sport alloy wheels, which are completely unmarked and wrapped in the premium Goodyear Eagle F1 run flat tyres. All in all, a extremely clean and tidy exterior and a very clean interior too. Okay, we do of course hope you found this walk around video useful, but most of all we do of course hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching. Do remember, if you are enjoying these videos and you want to check out more of them and more of our newest in stock, do remember to click the subscribe and click the notification bell icon, where you'll be notified every time a new in stock vehicle video comes onto the channel. Thank you for watching, take care, see you soon, goodbye.